Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to install drivers in Windows 11 without using any third-party software. I'll tell you the easiest way to install the drivers in Windows 11, which is absolutely safe to use it because we are not going to install anything. We are using the Windows update to install the drivers. So here it is for especially Windows 11, and you can do that in Windows 10 as well. So do a right click in the start icon, go to settings, and then go to Windows updates and click on check for updates right there and wait for some time. If you do not wish to do it, go to advanced option first and go to optional updates, feature quality and driver updates. You can see if you expand from here, you will see all the latest drivers required, and you can simply select that and you can download and install. If you do not see much driver updates here, go back to the Windows update, try to click on check for updates and wait for some time, and then go to this advanced option and optional feature, optional updates here, and you will find the updates right there. So whatever is required to update the drivers, you will find right here. All right, so you can also try that. If you find this tutorial helpful and short, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.